funny thing about a fence.
It can stop your eyes, but not your ears. You learn to listen to the voices behind the fence. Man, you knew better than that. You ain't even seen them and already know somebody losing at Dominoes.
Don't burn that chicken. I know what I'm doing.
See, life got a sound. You just gotta quit making so much noise to hear it.
Things sure have changed, sister.
Nah, feel it before you tighten it.
That's a classroom, too.
Throw it! I'm open.
Didn't see the game. Still know somebody missed that shot.
When I first moved over here,
Some history ain't in no archive. It's sitting behind a fence talking. It's a beautiful evening for a walk.
It really is. The colors are lovely tonight.
Some songs ain't never gonna make an album. Still kept somebody alive.
You need anything from the store?
Nah, I'm good. Appreciate you, though.
Wood can divide property, don't mean it gotta divide people.
They build these fences high, hoping for privacy.
Most of what hold people together ain't never gonna make the news.
Come on in. It's getting dark.
All right. Day shift ending, night shift waking up.
A fence might hide somebody from your eyes, but listen long enough and you'll hear a whole world living behind it.